My name is Midshipman Justin Noyroy, roll number 30. Anchored vessels and vessels aground. Letter A. A vessel at anchor shall exhibit where it can be best be seen. A. Number 1. In a forepart, an all-round light or one ball. A. Number 2. Out or near the stern and the lower level than the lights prescribed in subparagraph 1 and all-round light and on-round light. Letter B. A vessel of less than 50 meters in length may exhibit an all-round light white where it can be best be seen instead of lights prescribed in paragraph A of these rules. Letter C. A vessel at anchor may a vessel of 100 meters and more in length shall also use the available working or equivalent lights in illuminate her decks. D. A vessel's ground shall exhibit the lights prescribed in paragraph of these rules and in addition where it can best be seen. A or B. Number 1. 2 all-round LED red lights in a vertical line. A or B. Number 2. 3 balls in a vertical line. Letter A. A vessel less than 7 meters in length when an anchor, not or near a narrow channel, fairway or anchorage, or where other vessels normally navigate, shall not be required to exhibit the lights or shall prescribe in paragraph A and B of these rules. A vessel of less than 12 meters in length when aground shall not be required to exhibit the lights or the shapes prescribed in subparagraph D number 1 and 2 of these rules.